Hey guys, Andres here from Coastal Cryo. Really lucky, really blessed, really happy, and I really thank you for joining and giving us the opportunity to give you a little bit of education about our Kangen water systems. So I have an SD Platinum 501 right here with me. Really lucky to have this thing today. Have our K8 in the background for our demonstration. I want to show you a couple of things that you may not know that is in the water that you're drinking right now. So let's start off with some of our Powerade. A lot of folks, they drink this because they're dehydrated, they are out there, they're sweating all day. So we're going to use a little bit of a demonstration tool that I have here to figure out whether or not this has antioxidants. Antioxidants are going to be the things that are going to recharge your body and give your cells what they need to be able to be at their optimal self. So what I have right here is a little meter. It lets us know whether something is positively or negatively electrically charged. Positively electrically charged are free radicals. They destroy the DNA, the RNA, all the makeup of our cells. Negative electric voltage is the antioxidants. So our Gatorade right here, we're at positive 250, guys. So we're in the positive range with our Gatorade. There's nothing electric about this. It's positive. If you know anything about the power lines that are out that bring electricity to your home, you know that they have to be negatively electrically charged. That's how electricity works. Your body is made up of electric currents. The central nervous system sends signals all throughout the body. They need to be negatively electrically charged. If your body tips to the positive, then it is no longer able to send out those signals correctly. Alright guys, so what I want to show you guys next is our Kangen water systems right here. So these are a water ionizer. They connect to the electricity and tap water in your home, and they produce a negative electric voltage in your water. Doesn't that sound amazing? Alright guys, so let's test this out. I'm going to get some water fresh from our K8 Kangen water machine, just like this Platinum SD501 creates. So here we are, and we are in the negative electrical voltage. That is a true antioxidant, guys. You can't get this from what you buy at the store. The only way that you can get antioxidants in your body, fresh fruits and vegetables, straight from the tree, straight from the farm. Also, getting one of these water ionizers. That is how you can get natural antioxidants straight into your life, into your diet every single day. Alright guys, so if that is not enough, if the negative electric voltage does not excite you, let me show you guys something else. So what we have here is some pH drops. There's a lot going on right now about pH. pH stands for potential hydrogen. How much potential hydrogen is in a liquid in your body. Your skin likes to be acidic. The inside of your body, your water inside your body, wants to be alkaline and wants to be a higher pH than what's on the outside. The outside protects harmful germs and bacteria from getting into the body, and then the body performs optimal at a 7.2 pH. Your blood has to be at that pH, or else it's not able to carry oxygen throughout the body. So what we have here is our Kangen water system. Gonna stir that around real quick. We're having a blue pH right now, so that is gonna be somewhere in the 8.5 range. Alright guys, what about Powerade, that we're using right here? Let's put a little splash of that in here, and oh my god, what happened? We got a big color change. We are now in the yellow. Alright guys, so that is a highly acidic liquid. Acid, remember, your body doesn't want to be acid, it wants to be alkaline. So stay away from this stuff, guys. There's no electrical voltage that your body needs, and it's highly acidic. You're putting stomach acid on top of stomach acid. Definitely not good for you. Alright guys, and then last little thing that I want to show y'all is in our Kangen water systems right here. They split the hydrogen and the oxygen molecule in H2O. H2O is water. So you're getting hydrogen-rich water that's going into your cup. Hydrogen is the world's most powerful antioxidant. And so we talked about the negative electrical voltage. That's how you know there's active hydrogen in your water. Also, hydrogen is the world's smallest molecule. So what does that mean? When you're drinking water that has a smaller molecule, it will get instantly absorbed by the body. So guys, check this out. There's a cloud of hydrogen floating around in that liquid. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? And this is what I drink every single day, and I will never go back to regular tap water or filtered water or any kind of bottled water ever again, because I feel so absolutely amazing after drinking this. I no longer get muscle cramps. My brain is always high energy. It's really amazing. It's changed my life, guys, and if you give this a try, I know that you'll probably come to the same conclusion that I did, and it's going to change your life. Now, guys, you're probably thinking right now, okay, so you got this water system, Andres, how do I get one of these water systems in my home? Very easily. You can easily finance one of these water systems, and you're probably going to be paying anywhere between $50 to $150 a month for one of these systems. It's only for a year or so that you have to pay that. And think about, are you going to spend money on the rest of your life on bottled water, on water and Gatorade and all these sports drinks and things that are positively electrically charged? They're not serving you. It's just stuff that you're putting down your body and essentially junk, throwing away your money. When you can own one of these systems, they last 15 to 25 years, and they're the best thing that you can possibly put in your body. Now, I know because of how many units I sell and how many units our team sells, that this is going to be the next home appliance. This is the next microwave that people are just starting to find out about. You know, think about it. People used to not own microwaves. People used to not own flat screen TVs. Now everybody owns one. So you also want to get you one of these systems. Quit paying for bottled water. Give something for your body and your health that's going to give you the return that you put in it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Get in touch with us. You can give us a call at 251-943-4847 or go to our website, coastalcryoal.com. Click on the little Kangen Water or Kangen Financing and type that information in there. We will reach out to you and find out how we can help you install one of these systems in your home, in your condo, in your RV, in your yacht. Anywhere is a possibility. You can take this thing anywhere in the world with you. It is a certified medical grade device, so nobody can stop you from using this water or traveling anywhere with this water. Thank you guys so much for watching and giving me your time. I'm truly blessed, and I thank you guys, and you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy.